I came back and it was straight to work. So this is the first time I'm coming back to this.
All right, yeah, yeah. I give you to create some roll-up summary field,
Okay.
but yeah, that's all right. Let's just start. So today we will be talking about Salesforce report, which is super important. There will be will be a question in the exam, admin exam. So
Okay.
we have to understand what is Salesforce report, why we use it.
Okay.
So, like a report, basically, what is a report? Report will give you insight about the data. And Salesforce as a CRM system, we store a lot of data in Salesforce. So, Salesforce report is a very handy tool.
Okay.
Let me give you a scenario. So, if we go to opportunity,
Mhm.
opportunity used to store data about the business deal, a specific business deal. For example,
Mhm.
if I open this, as you can see, this is an opportunity record. The expected amount is 6 million. It will be closing. Let me change the date. Let's say it will be closing on, yeah, at the end of this month.
Mhm.
So, like we are having a business negotiation with United Oil and Plant. So there will be buy generators, and the total amount will be this. And right now, look at the stages.
Mhm.
It is saying that needs analysis.
Mhm.
So we will be analyzing the deal, then we'll send the client about our deal. They will
Mhm.
propose a new price. We will do negotiation, and then at the very end, we will close the deal. It will be either
Mhm.
win or lost. So,
Okay. So you see those statuses or status, what are they called? Like this green
yeah, this
bits.
one,
Yeah.
this is a path component,
Okay.
and it is showing the data from here. Stage is a pick list field. Let's see if I select value proposition, hit the save button, this will be changed as well.
Okay. Yeah.
We can create path component for any pick list value. This is
Okay.
like a handy way to show the life cycle of any, how to say,
Mhm.
any business system that we have. Or you can like select this mark as current stage, so the stage will be updated. But yeah, like the overall stuff. So what we will need from here, so let's say I have, let's say, 50 employee in my org. Those employee may be handling multiple deal one at a time. Let's say each person is handling 10 deals at a time. So I
Mhm.
need to see a overview. I need to know how much business deal that I close this month, what
Mhm.
will be the expected amount that I will be earning. So I need this data, but it is not
Mhm.
possible to look at every record and see. So we'll be using report. So how we will do it? Let's go to the report. Um, do you have a report tab?
Hold on. Sorry, I'm not
Yeah,
even in yet.
yeah, yeah. Log into your org and like do practice with
Yeah.
me.
1 second. I know I didn't try. I haven't tried the recorded from last week, from last time yet. So, uh,
Yeah, sign up to the Trailhead, then go to, from profile,
hold
go to
on.
hands-on org.
Uh, do I have to do this again? Sorry, can you see my screen?
Yeah, I'm seeing the trailhead.
Yeah. Do
Log
I
in.
need to sign up again?
No, you have to just log in. But I don't see any login button where it is.
Uh,
Are you here? Trailhead.salesforce.com.
I think it's different. Trailhead.salesforce.com. Yes.
Mm, yeah, click on the sign up.
Then it's going to. This is my Google.
I am only seeing one single page. I'm not seeing anything else.
Oh,
I
sorry.
think, yeah, you just shared the single web page.
Okay.
Yeah,
Uh,
share the entire screen or the browser. Okay, yeah, click on the Google. Use your Google account. Okay, so then on the top right, under your profile, go to hands on org. Yeah, this is the option just below the messages. Yeah, and click the launch button. Okay, then you are in. Now go to the report. If you don't see the report, it should be under the more. Okay, so now we are in the report tab and we will be creating reports on opportunity object. So our requirement is to view the overall situation of
oh,
our
sorry, just a second.
opportunity. Mhm.
Like now, I'm only seeing my screen on your share. So can you make it your screen?
You can pin my screen.
Hmm.
I mean, can't you see it? Let me share again.
Yeah.
Can you see it now?
Yeah, that's better. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
All right, let's do it. So I am on the report tab, and my requirement is to pull a report on the opportunity record. So before we start, let's click this new report. I will talk about the report type first. So, and there will be a question in the exam, so it's important. So there are four types of report in Salesforce. Number one is tabular. Number two is summary. Number three is matrix, and number four is joint report. And we will see each
Sorry,
one
can you
of
say
them.
that again, please? So, are you
Yeah, we will be
recording?
recording. Yeah, we are
Okay.
recording this session. I will
Okay.
share
Thank
it
you.
with you. But
Thank
yeah,
you.
try to remember because there will
Yeah.
be a question.
Okay.
Tabular,
So,
summary,
ca-
matrix, and
tabular,
joint.
summary,
Matrix
metrics.
and then joint report. Okay, so if you click on this new report button, here we are. Uh, in the left side of your screen, there are categories. We have all, like I will talk you about the report type. These are the report type. But first, let's just click on the opportunity. If you don't see under recently used, you go to the opportunities, and here it is. Uh, Under the opportunities, all the
Mhm.
report regarding the opportunity will be here. So let's click on this opportunity, and this will open. And as you can see, here it will just show you the a little overview about the report type. Here you can see that it is a standard report type. That means Salesforce already created this report type for us. We can create our own report type as well. That will be custom report type. We'll be covering that in our later session. And this is important info. Uh, if you scroll down a bit, you will see that object used in report type. So this will show you that even though we are creating an opportunity report, account data, profile data, campaign data, user data, all of those data is available in this report type. So sometimes, like if you're working as an admin and user will come to you, they will say, okay, I cannot see this report. And like you will check everything, okay, he has access. I assign him the report, I put the report in a public folder. So but why the user doesn't see? The reason is maybe he the user doesn't have access to one or more of those objects.
Okay.
So if a user doesn't have access to opportunity product, for example, if we create this report, we will not be able to see it. So all of this object that you have here, the user should have access. Only then he will be able to see the report. Okay, let's click
Yep.
the start button and this kind of screen will open. Uh, so here we will update preview automatically. This checkbox will turn it on. Then any change we do, it will be reflected here. So on the top right, just toggle the button and give it a good name. I will name this report what? I will name this opportunity stage report. Stage report. Okay, just a meaningful name. And then I will go to the filter. Under the current date, I will select, and the range will be all time. So in here, basically you set different filter. Okay, based on the date or any other field, you can set the filter. So basically what I am looking for, I want to see
Hold
only
on.
the
So for the date, what did you do?
I select the close date button, this popped up, and in
Yep.
the range I selected all time. Okay, all time. So my requirement is to view only the closed report, that is either on or lost. Like whichever in the middle, like negotiating or prospecting, I don't want to see it. I just care about the closed deal. So that's why you see all the stages here. I will add a filter on the stage so that only the closed report is shown here. To do that, under the add filter, I will type stage, STAGE, and then select the stage, and this will pop up. And here I can select the value. So closed lost and closed on, and I'll click apply. Let me know if you are able to do it. So here in the add filter, type stage, then select the stage. This will open up, and under the value, select the value that you want to see. I will only like to see the closed on and closed lost. So I check, click on them, and they will be selected, and then click apply. Okay, right now you see only closed lost and closed on. Only these two stages uh, opportunities are shown here. So this way I can filter. You can also filter based on the date. For example, you only want to see the opportunities from this year. You can do that too. Uh, in order to do that, you have to type here created date. CRE, it is already here. I am selecting this created date, and here mm, equals. So okay, again I lost it. CR created date. So you can use the relative date as well. For example, instead of a specific date, I click on this use relative date, and here I will use what yesterday, last week. I will use this year, this year, and that means only the opportunities created this year will be shown here. So I am uh, clicking the apply button, and yeah, no data is shown because no opportunity is created this year on my org. Maybe you will be able to see some data,
Yeah, I
but
did.
mine doesn't show anything. So that's why I am removing this one, but you keep your filter on the created date. Okay, so then again I will go to the outline, and here I can show the column that I want to see. I will be removing the opportunity role, and opportunity type, lead source, next step. Yeah, I'm just removing those. I don't want to see those field on my report. Then the probability. Yeah, what else? Fiscal period. I will remove that too. So yeah, basically you can add or remove field from here, and I will drag the opportunity owner at the bottom. Okay, just organizing the screen. Let's remove the age as well. Fiscal period, yeah. So yeah, removed most of the unnecessary ones. And if you want to add any field, let's go to the opportunity to see which data we need. So let's say main
Hold on. How do you
competitors.
get to the?
Come again.
How did you get to the? Yeah. So they just click on the name.
How did I get here?
Oh, okay. Opportunities. I'll save. So I save and close it first.
You
Yeah.
can open it on a new tab. Like I have three tab open here. Don't work only a single tab, right? It will be faster. So I'm saying that I will add this field main competitor on my report as well. So under the column, I will type main competitor and select it, and I will drag it right under the stage. Okay, just yeah, organizing the screen UI. So this is what a tabular report looks like. The data is showing in a tabular format. So once you are done with the report, once you are happy, like the fields that are showing the filter, everything is looks all right, you just click save and run. This is just an overview. It is not showing all the data. So you have to click save and run, and then you have to select a folder. So when you are selecting the folder, two things you have to keep in mind. This is by default, it will be saved on private folder. But if you put the report in private folder, nobody will be able to see it. Hmm.
Mm.
In order to like everyone to see the report, you have to put it in the public folder. But then why the private folder exists? Maybe when you are working at the beginning, you don't want anyone to see it because it is
Mm.
not done yet. Let's say you put the report on the public folder, and your boss comes and open the report, and he doesn't see what he likes. He will think, okay,
Mm.
you why you put this report here? It is
Yeah.
yeah. So yeah, there will be confusion. So like at the very beginning, while you are working on, put everything in private, and then once you are happy, you can change the folder. So I will be putting on the public folder for now. because let's say I'm 100% okay with the report. It is done, finished. I will put the report for everyone to see. So select the folder and hit the save button. Now it's done. You have just created your first report. Total record. Yeah, everything is shown here. So opportunity, like you can also sort them out. Hmm. Let's sort them by the expected revenue. So yeah, this is how you create a tabular report. So just like take a minute and think about it, what we have just done. And let me know if you have any question.
So on the from here, can I get the report or do I have to go to?
Yeah,
Okay, and it'll be that one we'll see. Okay. So if I have more reports, would it all just be on this page, or would it be?
yeah,
It'll be called different names, right? If I have different
yeah,
types of reports.
yeah. Let's rename this report a little bit. So open the report, click the edit button. I will change the name uh, to closed opportunity report, or the core closed opportunities. That's it. Hmm. Save and run, because we will be creating more report so that it doesn't make confusion. This is for recently created report. If you don't open this report for a long time, you will not see it here. You need to go to the public reports. You see, public reports. Here you see all the public
Mm,
reports are here. This is the one that we have just created, closed opportunity. And if you like in a big org, a big company, you have multiple report. Let's say 100, and you
mm,
need to organize them in different folders. So that's why you go to the all folders. You see all the report will be here. You can select a new folder here. Mm, these are the folder. So you can create new folder and put the report here. Maybe a sales folder for sales department report. Yeah, this way it goes. So yeah, any question about the tabular report?
no.
All right, now um, tabular report is good, but the summary report is even better because we can use chart, we can use graphs, visual, because yeah, the raw data doesn't look appealing.
Mhm.
So we need chart in order to create a good report. We need to show them in visuals. So how we will do it? Again, the same way, you can create a new report, but what I will do, I will clone this report and then work on it. Okay, I will work on the existing one. So here I will click the save as button. That means I am cloning this one. So under the drop down, click the save as and close opportunity summary. I will name it closed opportunity summary, and let's put it in a new folder just to show you how it's done. So under the public folder, public reports or all folder, yeah, I'll go to the all folder and create a new folder. I will put what? I will put training. Yeah, just give it any name. And unique name will be also training, and then hit the save button. So I created a new folder called training. Very good. And I will select the folder. So closed opportunities summary. This report will be under training folder. Hit the save button and done. So we just cloned our report. So right now you have two report. If you go to the report, you will see closed opportunities. It's under public reports, and
Um,
closed opportunity summary is under the training folder. So we have two report. Now we will change it to a summary. Right now it is tabular. Okay, click the edit button. So in order to change it to a summary report, you have to add a field under the group rows. So what you will do, select it and type stage, select. Okay, you see here it is showing you the summary, like closed on report is 15, closed lost is 3. So it's give you more data, more information. Hmm. By just looking at this report you will know that okay, up until now, I mean this year, let's say you have closed 15 deal, I mean you own 15 deal, but you lost 3. Okay, very good
Yeah, I
information.
think I only have close to one. All mine is close to one.
Yeah,
So
yeah, that's all right. Yeah, based on the data. Yeah,
yeah.
nothing wrong with the report. If you go and create a report record and mark the stage as closed on, it will appear here. Okay, so now we will click this add chart button here on the top,
Um,
and this is showing a
hold
new
on.
chart.
Where? Okay, app chat.
And on the right side there is a gear button. If you click it, you will see various types of chart, actually bar chart, column chart. I will use the donut chart. Hmm. I'll click donut, and at the bottom I will use show percentage and show values as well. And yeah, that's it. Okay, and instead, okay, good. I think it's all right. I will close it, chat properties, and click save and run. Okay, now my closed opportunity summary report is showing me that I have owned 83% of the deal and lost only 3. So pretty good performance. You have to click the save and run button in order to view the full report. Okay, you don't have any close lost.
Mm,
Everything is on.
yeah.
Okay, that means, yeah, let's do a little bit of sanitization of the data. Opened up closed on report. So here under the opportunity name, right click and then open in a new tab. So I will, even though it is a closed on, I will change the stage to close lost with the save. Okay, you see the red mark, like we lost the deal. Okay, this is done. One more, open one more opportunity. Yeah, just do it for a couple. Mm. Open the opportunity and select the stage as closed lost. So yeah, just do it couple of times. Like we are creating good data in our org. In an actual org, we will not be doing it. Yeah, we are trying to see the actual data. But yeah,
Okay.
here just for the testing. Yeah, mark couple. And once you are done, come here and hit the refresh button from the top right. Okay, you see my win percentage is 72 and now loss percentage is 27. What about you?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
you
I've got
basically
three
got the
now.
idea, right? What are we trying to achieve here?
Yeah. Yeah.
And yeah, this type of resource is must. Like every meeting on the top level, they will use this type of report in
Mm,
order to talk about the sales process that they have.
mm,
Okay, so this is the summary report. Summary report, you are like grouping by one field. You are grouping the data
Mm.
in one field. Summary report and total. Okay, good. Now again, we will clone this summary report in order to turn it to a matrix. Okay, so I will again use the save as and closed opportunity is matrix, and yeah, it will be on the training folder. Hit the save button. So right now we have three report. We just cloned this one, and now we have to make it a matrix report. Right now it is just a summary report. So click the edit button. So again, at the very beginning, we have a tabular report which is just showing a list
Uh,
of the
Hold
data.
on.
Mhm. Any issue?
Yeah, so I cloned it and then what?
Mhm. You are having difficulties to clone the report.
I think I have.
You want me
So
to show it
what next?
again?
Yeah, please.
So yeah, go to the report that you want to clone. For example, mine was closed opportunity summaries. On the right side, the drop down, uh,
Let me
click the
go back to
edit
my
button.
reports. Okay, yeah, I think I got it. I think that's it.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, cloning is
Edit.
very easy. Just on the right side, beside the edit button, you will see the save as. Click it,
Yeah, no, I've
give it a
done
good
it. So
name,
I've
and
got
you are
the,
done.
yeah, I've got it. So that's the third one, isn't it?
Okay, if you got it, like named it closed
Yeah.
opportunity matrix, and then click it open, click the edit button, like we will be turning it into a matrix report. Right now, this is a summary report. So,
Mhm.
summary report means grouping the rows. You are adding a field under the group rows, but matrix report means you will be also grouping using the column. So what I will do actually, um, under the stage, I will remove it. I will type account name under the group rows, and then under the group columns, I will type stage. This is just an example, okay? Just an example to show you how to create matrix report. Matrix report means you have to group rows and columns as well. Okay, so once you are done, just hit the save and run. Okay, we need to add a chart as well. So here I will use donut. No, I will use a column for now. I'll use a column or a stacked bar. Yeah, I think stacked bar will be good. Mm, stack to. Okay, looks good. So what did we actually done here? So look at this one. This report will tell me that Burlington's textile, we only have one opportunities with
Mhm.
them, and we own this one. Very good. It will
Mhm.
show me that the under Eagle Communities Communications, this is a company, and we have three deals with them, and we own the three one. United Oil and Gas, it will show us that we have six deal with them. We lost one and we own five.
Mhm.
So it is showing me the data about the companies. I mean our clients. Okay.
Mhm.
And yeah, this is what a matrix report looks like. And the chart will show you that, yeah, Eagle Communications, you have own all of the dealings with them. Like expense logistic, you lost all of them, not a good performance. Like game point, you like 50-50, right? You
Yeah.
lost 50% of them and 20-50. Yeah. So yeah, it is giving you a good insight regarding the data. So this is how a matrix report looks like. Any questions? Just yeah, take a minute, think about what we just did. It's easy, but you have to understand what you are trying to do.
Mm. Yeah.
And again, these is just the tools that an admin should have. Okay, these are just tools. How you are going to use these tools will be upon you.
Okay.
You need to know about the requirement, and then you have to figure out which report I'm going to create. Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Because each report type will show you different kind of data. You can get different kind of information using different kinds of reports.
Okay.
And the third one is joint report. It is nothing new. Basically, if you want to show two reports side by side, you can join them together. Hmm. So let's say I have like right now I am just the showing what? Showing each company's um, own and lost ratio, right? Maybe I have another report where I show each company's own and lost revenue. Hmm. And I want to report side by side. Hmm. So in order to do that, let's open the closed down summary, click edit. And also one more thing, if you like expand the left side, here you see fields. If you click it, you will see you have opportunity information, opportunity owner information, account address. Actually, all of the fields that the participating object have is available here. Maybe you are not able to find one here. Hmm. An object can have like so many fields. Maybe it is not available here. You cannot like select it, but
Mm-hmm.
it, these are categorized on the left side. You definitely able to find it from here.
Okay.
And if you click here, you see it is saying that a joint report. So if you have another report, you can click it here, click apply, and it will turn this into a joint report. And you can join multiple. You see on the top you have a add block. You can add other report as well. Hmm. You can add other report as well. So let's say let's create one. Okay, let's create another one. I'll select the add block. You see on the right side. Uh, So this is a single report. This is another report. You can join multiple report. Okay, it's up to you based on your requirement. You will do it, but we don't use join report that much. Most of the time, we will be using summary, then the matrix, and then the tabular one. Join report, yeah, basically it depends on your requirement, but summary report is the one that we use most of the time. So you see, I
Mm-hmm.
have just joined two report. Maybe you want to see two reports side by side, right? Maybe it's your requirement. So you can do that as well. Hmm.
Okay.
So I'll just close it. I will not be saving this one. So this is how you will be creating your reports. Any question?
No,
All right.
no.
So this is our lesson number 4, right?
Yeah.
So up until now, in our first lesson, we learned about how to navigate in Salesforce, what is a tab, what is an object, and then we have learned about standard and custom object, those stuff. In lesson number 2, we learned about how to create new field, how to create new object, how to create a tab. We created two new objects and then added multiple fields. We created formula fields and stuff. On our lesson number 3, I mean on our last lesson, we learned about relationship in Salesforce, how one object relate to each other. We learned about master detail relationship field, lookup relationship field. We created them. Then we learned about roll-up summary field. So in our third lesson, we are talking about the Salesforce report. And in our next lesson, uh, yeah, we have a little bit of time. I will be showing you how to deal with the dashboard. But next lesson is very important, which is lesson number 5. We will be talking about the automation hmm, using Flow. So very important. In order to do that, like lesson 1, 2, 3, and 4, you have to be understand them completely. The topic that I have just told you right now, you have to completely understand. You have to completely able to navigate around Salesforce. You have to be able to create fields, object, relationship. Yeah, there shouldn't be any confusion about them because flow is an advanced topic. Even though we are just learning about the Salesforce basic, but flow is an advanced topic. I want to introduce you to the flow because as an admin, you will be creating flows. 50% of your work will be creating automation around Salesforce. An admin uses flows to do that.
Okay.
So yeah, like before our next lesson, get a complete grasp of the topic that we discussed earlier. Okay, so dashboard. Today, the name of our lesson is report and dashboard. We have covered the report. What is a dashboard? Dashboard is a collection of report, nothing else. Hmm? So you have just saw the joint report, like you are showing the report side by side, but maybe you have 10 or 15 report you want to see it. Using join report, one thing, it is not possible to join all the type. Hmm. And then again, it will be cluttered. The,
Mhm.
the main thing is it is not feasible to join all the report and showing them side by side. Sometimes maybe you don't want to see all the report, you just want to see the overview. So for example, if you open the matrix, yeah, it is showing us this chart, but it is showing us the details also. Maybe we don't
Mhm.
want to see it, we just want to see the charts as well. So that's why we'll use dashboard. Click on this dashboard folder. We'll be creating our first dashboard today. Click the new dashboard and name it sales dashboard. Sales dashboard. All the reports from sales department will be showing in here. Again, we have public and private folder. We'll be putting it on uh, under all folder, or we can create a new. Let's create a new folder. Name it sales. Unique name will be sales as well. Save it. So we are putting the dashboard in the sales folder. Good. Hit the create button and this window will open. Here under the widget, select it, chart or table. Maybe before we do that, let's just want to add a text here. Under the text, we'll sales
Hold on. Add text. Okay.
operations overview. Maybe it's not necessary, but I just want to show you. Make it bold. The color is, let's put it on blue. Okay, like that. We can resize it. So maybe just a header. I will show it in here on the top. And then under the widget, again, chart or table, and all the report that we have just created, we'll show it here. First one is closed opportunity. Select it and click the add button. And again, chart, select the summary, select, and then add. Put it on the side, like drag and drop here. Again, the last one is the matrix. Yeah, just select one and then add. Select one and then add. Yeah, okay. I put all of the report on the top. I want to show the, maybe I will extend it. Yeah, like here, sales dashboard. It will take the whole window.
Mine is only letting me put two together.
You can drag it, make it bigger, make it small, make sure it occupies the whole top level. You see those button on the right side? Yeah, top, bottom. You can click and make them bigger. Yeah, it's just like drag and drop tools. You design it how you like. Nothing else here. No logic.
Okay.
You can add other report as well. Under the, I will use 9 columns. Here we have 12 columns, but just to make it more compact,
How did you
at
get
the
to properties?
the gear icon, and at the bottom, and let's use dashboard palette as sunrise. Yeah, just style. Okay, it, yeah, I'm not how to say, design person, so yeah, I don't know which looks good, but yeah, I'm just selecting one. Hmm. I'll make it a little bit of small, make it a bit small so that they come in. Yeah, good. You can make it dark. Yeah, I mean, I don't know which one looks good. So yeah, once you are done, like all of them, just hit the save button and then click done, and your dashboard is ready.
How many columns did you make yours? 9.
Yeah, I mean, it doesn't matter. Like, yeah, you have the option, you choose which one. If you have like less amount of report, you can use 9.
Yeah, just
If you have more, you can use 12. It doesn't matter.
to then save, yeah.
Yeah, just click the save button and then done, and your dashboard is ready. So this will show you the overview of the whole sales department operations. Yeah, just To give you an example, um, so you know how to create report, you know how to add charts on the report, and also you know how to create a dashboard and add the reports there. Okay. And one more thing, very very important, if you are a system admin, I mean a Salesforce administrator, and you have the system admin profile, that means you have access to all the data. So then it becomes more important, because if you see here the report that I have created, it is showing the data viewing as me, actually viewing as Ridwan Ahmed. That
Mhm.
means the data that I have access, it will be shown here. For example, you are a separate user but you don't have the access, then what will happen? You will see those data, but maybe I don't want other people to show my data. What I
Mhm.
want, if I log in, I will be able to see my data. If you log in, you will be able to see your data, right? Because
Mhm.
Salesforce or multiple user will be using, and if you have 30 user, you will not be creating 30 reports for each one of them, right?
Mhm.
We will create one report, one dashboard. That's so the term we are looking for is running user. So you have to make sure this dashboard show the data as the perspective of running user. In order to do that, we'll click the edit button, and under the filter, you see here view as, what you will
Mhm.
use, you will select this, the
Dashboard
dashboard
viewer.
viewer. So whoever view the dashboard, they'll be able to see their data. If I see, I'll be able to see mine. If you see, you will be able to see your data. So it's very important. You can select a specific user as well. Maybe you have a requirement, you have a one user who have access to all the data. Maybe you want to use that user as well. So you will select that user from here. But this is the option that you will be mostly using, the dashboard user. Okay. So and select this option and click the done button, the save button, and then save and done. And then again click the refresh button. There is a limit that you can refresh. If I click again, I won't be able to refresh in another minute. So yeah, in each minute you can refresh only once. So
Okay.
I select the dashboard viewer, and so whoever the user logged in, and he'll be able to see their separate set of data. Uh, so this is
How come
one.
mine doesn't show?
You don't see this option, the dashboard viewer.
Yeah, I changed it. The dashboard viewer.
Then what is the problem?
So at the top it shows as you.
You
So
and me, we are not. So this
oh,
is
okay, yours
my
is
org.
done as well.
Yeah,
Okay.
I am not logged in your org. Okay.
Oh, okay. No, no, no. So
Mm-hmm.
before it was saying um viewed by Riddle on it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Well, after you refresh, but it's gone. It's gone away now.
No, it should be there. Let's see. Yeah, it's here.
Yeah. So see, yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, I didn't. I haven't saved yet. Hold
you are still on the edit mode. Edit mode, you won't be able
on.
to see it. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. That's fine.
Okay, so again, one more thing on the report. So I will open this, I will go to the report. Where is it? Is the report? And the thing is, we have an option in Salesforce called subscribe. So what
Mm.
subscribe means? Maybe you are a busy person, you are CEO of the company, you don't have time every day to go to the Salesforce, click on the dashboard tab, and open the dashboard and view the overview, right? You don't want to do. You don't have time to log into the Salesforce also. Maybe. So then what to do actually? You want to get a snapshot of the report or a snapshot of the dashboard in your email every morning at 7 a.m. Okay, how to do it? So go to the report that you want to subscribe, click this button. You have a subscribe. Select the subscribe and then select the frequency. Maybe you want it on daily, but maybe weekly and every Monday, hmm, or maybe monthly. Okay, I will set like Monday and Thursday, like twice a week. I want to see the time will be at the morning, which is 7 a.m. when my office start, and the recipient is me. But you can
Mm,
edit it and select your CEO. Maybe this is the user that you want to send, and then you can click the save button. Okay, one more thing. You see the run report as same thing. You don't want to see your data, right? I mean, your boss doesn't want to see your data. You want to see his data. So in another person, you can remove yourself and add that person here. Or maybe you want to get the email yourself. Okay. So you can select it, hit the save button. You can add multiple person as well. By edit recipient, you can add multiple user. Right now only me is selected. I can add another user as well. Add, you see two user is added. So yeah, this way you can subscribe to a report, and once you're done subscribing, you have select the schedule. So on the selected time, you will get the report in your email. Okay, very handy feature. So yeah, that's it actually. That's will conclude our today's lesson. Any question you have, now you can ask.
mm. So it's because I saved subscribed. That's why I've got this stick here. Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, and you will get
Can I
this
unsubscribe?
report. Yeah, same way. Go in the subscribe button and remove the
Oh
subscription.
yeah,
Just
subscribe.
click and remove. Yeah, unsubscribe. Yeah, done.
Okay.
But if you are subscribed, you will get the email from Salesforce.
Okay. Okay.
Uh, any question?
No, but I think I need to go back to this.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. I am stopping the recording now.